11 o'clock. Time now for the Weather Magician with PJ Wiggins, the Late Night Report. Wednesday, August 28th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 11 o'clock in North Massachusetts. 66 degrees of temperature with foggy and misty skies with a humidity 93%. Wind speed northeast about 3 miles per hour. Barometer turned by 94 inches. 2.64 degrees and a humidity 1.5 miles is the visibility. Okay, taking out radar scope, it shows a big blob of rain, showers, and storms from western New York, stretching through eastern Vermont and southeast Vermont, stretching through central New Hampshire, stretching through southern Maine, and that's why parts of Vermont and New Hampshire are under a flash flood warning until 11:45 p.m. As this front is moving very slowly, so there'll be raining for much of the period of the flash flood warning here. But when it gets to southern New England, it's gonna lose its steam because we are under some fog going on, and a couple of blob of rain showers off the Jersey coastline, stretching off the Delaware and the Virginia and North Carolina coastline, and a popcorn cluster of rain showers and storms in southeastern Maryland, stretching out into eastern Virginia, and have a batch of rain showers and storms in Richmond, Virginia, then through West Virginia to northeastern North Carolina, and a couple of batches of rain showers in southern and western Virginia, and eastern West Virginia. A couple of batches of rain showers in central Pennsylvania. And a couple of line of rain showers in southern Indiana for eastern Kentucky. And a blob of rain showers in the western Florida Panhandle. And a couple of batches of rain showers in northeastern Montana, stretching through southern Saskatchewan, stretching western Manitoba and eastern Alberta, and a batch of rain showers in central northeastern Alberta. And a couple of blob of rain showers in the western Washington and Oregon coastlines there. And a couple of blob of rain showers in southern Arizona and New Mexico and in northern Mexico. Alright, let's take a look at that. I do. The safety of patrons and fans is top priority, and it shows a blob of clouds off the New England coastlines.
Investigation.
And it shows
who still came into the concert not knowing that it was canceled, got this sign in front of them when they got to the box office that says they can get a refund from their point.
Shows a couple of batches of clouds covering New England, stretching off the eastern Canada. And a couple of batch of rain clouds in Carolina coastline, stretch through the Carolinas down to southern Virginia, down to southern West Virginia, and eastern Kentucky, Tennessee, northern South Carolina. And a couple of batches of clouds in western Mexico, stretching out southern Arizona, down to New Mexico and western Texas, stretch through. And a batch of clouds in northern Utah, down to Colorado and Nevada, stretching into southern Nebraska, down to northwestern Missouri, down to northeastern Kansas, down to central Kansas, down to southern Illinois, down to southern Oklahoma. Couple of blob clouds in eastern Wyoming, down for western South Dakota and western Nebraska.
PBS.
Couple of
Syria's President Assad has crossed a red line.
blob of clouds in northeast of Nevada, down to Utah, stretching through Idaho, down to Montana, down to southern Saskatchewan, western Manitoba, and patch of clouds in western Alberta, and western
Last 2 to 3 days.
British Columbia, down through western Washington, Oregon, and northwestern California. Here, and have a patch of clouds covering Hudson Bay and extreme northern Quebec and northern Ontario, down to northern Manitoba and the Yukon. Alright, take a look at our
Weapons, like this storage depot near Damascus. If the U.S.
traffic center shows tropical storm Juliet movement 24 miles per hour, 315 degrees. Wind speed 45 miles per hour, gusting at 60 miles per hour. Pressure 1,002 millibars.
I've sent a letter to the President and also to Speaker Boehner asking them to call Congress into session because I think we should be talking about this. I think we should have meaningful debate.
All members of the Massachusetts
And
delegation say they are ready to
invest 97L. 970 movement 2 miles per hour, 65 degrees. Wind speed 30 miles per hour. Wind gust not available. And tropical storm Conway movement 6 miles per hour, 355 degrees. Wind speed 60 gusts and 75 miles per hour. Alright, we are under a dense fog advisory.
retaliatory strike. And tonight, Senator Elizabeth Warren says it is critical.
In effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in Toronto has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Thursday. Location interior southeast Massachusetts and southern Rhode Island. Visibility is 1/4 mile less at time. Time in late this evening into mid-morning on Thursday. Impacts, hazardous driving conditions are expected to develop late this evening and continue into the overnight hours. Motorists are advised to slow down as objects on or near and word waves will be seen in close range.
Being diagnosed.
Day 1 this afternoon tonight, 10th fog advisory. Days 2 to 7 Thursday for first Tuesday, 10th fog advisory. So, for our forecast for tonight, overnight hours, while it's sleeping over 9 hours, isolated showers, areas of dense fog after 1 a.m. of ours, class skies low and 61 degrees. Calm wind, chance of precipitation 20%. Thursday, isolated showers, areas of dense fog before noon. Otherwise, cloud skies a little higher under 75 degrees. Calm wind becoming northeast about 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Chance of precipitation 20%. Thursday night, isolated showers before 9 p.m. and patchy fog after midnight. Otherwise, most of the cloud skies a little low and 57 degrees. Northeast wind about 6 miles per hour, becoming common evening. Chance of precipitation 20%. Friday, patchy fog before 9 a.m. Boys. Part the sunny skies behind near 81 degrees. Light available wind becoming southwest about 57 miles per hour morning. Friday night, patchy fog after 5 a.m. Otherwise, most of the cloud skies low and 62 degrees. Southwest wind about 6 miles per hour. Saturday, patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, plus the sunny skies high near 85 degrees. Saturday night, most cloud skies low and 65 degrees. Sunday, patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, plus the sunny skies behind near 82 degrees.
Look at all the cloudiest that's going to
Sunday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most of the cloud skies low and 69 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Liberty Day, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most of the cloud skies are high near 81 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Monday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most of the cloud skies with a low 164 degrees. Chance of precipitation 50%. Tuesday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Part the sun skies high near 80 degrees. Chance of precipitation 50%. Tuesday night, a scattered showers and thunderstorms. Part cloud skies low and 56 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. And for Wednesday, most of the sun skies high near 82 degrees. Peter's what a phrase of the night. A foggy night on tap and a cloudy day on tap tomorrow. This is PJ with Say, give a good night. What a good positive night. I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Good night.